Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar on ABAP on Cloud. I'm Sharmila Shankar, and I work as an associate consultant in Mobolutions. Today, we will take a closer look at how ABAP is evolving in the cloud environment, expose its key features, and see how it integrates with modern cloud technologies, and walk through a real-time use case to understand its practical application. Let's get started. So, here's what we will be covering in today's session. We'll start with a brief introduction to ABAP on cloud, followed by the evolution of ABAP, how it has transitioned from traditional on-premises systems to the cloud. Next, we will compare ABAP on-premises and ABAP on cloud, highlighting the key features in development and deployment. We will also explore BTP and RESTful ABAP to understand how ABAP works on the SAP Business Technology Platform and the new programming models. To make things practical, we will look at a real-time use case that shows ABAP on cloud in action. Then, we will discuss integration with other SAP cloud services, the benefits of ABAP cloud for developers and businesses, and finally, we will take a glimpse into the future of ABAP cloud and what's coming next. By the end of the session, you will have a clear understanding of ABAP on cloud and its role in the modern SAP ecosystem. Let's see the introduction of ABAP on Cloud. ABAP on Cloud is SAP's modern cloud-based development environment. It allows developers to build and extend SAP S/4HANA applications using the ABAP language, all within the SAP Business Technology Platform (BTP). This shift to the cloud is significant because it enables faster innovation, seamless integration, and scalability, helping organizations adapt more quickly to changing business needs. To give you a practical example, imagine creating a RESTful ABAP service in SAP BTP that fetches customer data directly from an S4 HANA cloud system. This approach not only makes development more flexible, but also fully leverages the capabilities of the cloud environment. Now we'll see the evolution of ABAP Cloud. ABAP has been the backbone of SAP since 1980s, starting with on-premises development using SE80 and classic reports. In 2015, ABAP development tools in Eclipse modernized development. By 2018, ABAP Cloud on BTP enabled cloud-native applications while keeping ABAP skills relevant. In 2022, RAP and S4HANA cloud integration made it easier to build fairy UIs and APIs while maintaining a clean core. Today, ABAP Cloud is a part of SAP Build, supporting side-by-side and embedded extensions. The benefits are clear: reuse, skills, scale securely, and build modern apps. Though there are some challenges like restricted language features and governance. ABAP Cloud truly represents the future of ABAP in the cloud era. Now, let's look at how ABAP on premises compares with ABAP on cloud. Starting with infrastructure, on premises are managed by the customer, meaning you are responsible for the system setup and maintenance. In contrast, ABAP on cloud is managed by SAP in their cloud environment, so you don't have to worry about the underlying infrastructure. When it comes to development tools, on-premises developers use SE80 through the classic SAP GUI, while cloud developers work with ADT in Eclipse, which offers a more modern and flexible experience. Access is another big difference. On-premises, you have direct system access, but on the cloud, access is restricted to safe APIs only. This helps keep the environment secure and well governed. Programming models have evolved too. Classic ABAP is still used on premises, but the cloud uses RAP or the RESTful ABAP programming model, which supports modern application design. For extensions and custom code, on-premises systems allows in-system customizations, but on the cloud, extensions are typically done side by side to keep the core system clean and stable. Upgrades are something to note as well. On premises, customers handle upgrades themselves, while in the cloud, SAP takes care of the upgrades automatically, reducing your maintenance overhead. Finally, the transport system has moved from CTS in on premises environments to GCTS, which is a Git based supporting modern DevOps workflows. So, overall, ABAP on cloud brings a managed, secure, and modern development experience while keeping the core strengths of ABAP intact. Now, let's take a look into BTP and RESTful ABAP. SAP BTP or Business Technology Platform provides a cloud environment where ABAP developers can build side by side applications that are completely decoupled from the S4 HANA core. This approach lets us innovate freely while keeping the clean core intact. Within BTP, we have the RESTful ABAP programming model or RAP. RAP allows us to design the modern business applications with fiery UIs, APIs, and event driven services, all in a structured, scalable, and upgrade stable way. Think about it. We can take our traditional ABAP skills and turn them into cloud native, future ready solutions. RAP enforces best practices and limits unsafe operations, making sure our custom extensions are both safe and maintainable. In short, ABAP on BTP with RAP lets us innovate rapidly, build modern, secure, and scalable applications, and transform classic ABAP into a truly cloud ready platform. Let's quickly compare GPS tracking in traditional ABAP versus ABAP on the cloud as a real time use cases. In traditional ABAP, the process can feel a bit heavy and cumbersome. You would start by creating Z tables, which is a custom table to store GPS data, expose APIs through ICF or SEGW, and then manage complex firewalls and system configurations. Once everything's set up, the mobile app can finally send GPS data to the backend, but scalability, not great. And real time or IoT scenarios, they can be tricky to manage. Now, when we look at ABAP on the BTP cloud, things get much smoother. You can define your GPS data with CDS and RAP, and the system automatically generates REST and OData APIs through service bindings. This means no more SEGW. The mobile app can send data directly to the RAP API, and you can even trigger events with event mesh if needed. So, what's the key difference? On premise ABAP is more integration heavy, rigid, and infrastructure dependent, while ABAP on cloud is API first, flexible, event driven, and built for scalability. It's a game changer, especially when you are dealing with mobile, IoT, or real time scenarios. So, if you are looking into simplify GPS tracking and take advantage of the cloud, ABAP on BTP is definitely the way to go. Let's quickly see the benefits of ABAP Cloud. It runs on SAP BTP, allowing developers to build side by side applications without affecting the S4 HANA core. Using the RESTful ABAP programming model or RAP, we can create cloud native applications with Fiori ready UIs, CDS based business objects, and REST APIs, ensuring a clean core and upgrade safe extensions. ABAP Cloud offers key benefits. It's a cloud native and scalable, cloud compliant with secure coding, supports reusable logic for faster development, and includes built in testing and monitoring. Integration is seamless with SAP Integration Suite, which connects applications, data, and processes. It provides pre-built iFlows, secure API-based communication, and connectivity to SAP solutions like S/4HANA or SuccessFactors, as well as third-party and on-premises systems. In short, ABAP Cloud with RAP and integration suite enables developers to build modern, connected, scalable, and secure applications, leveraging existing ABAP skills while embracing SAP's cloud strategy. So, what's the future of ABAP Cloud? Looking ahead, ABAP on Cloud is evolving in several exciting ways. First, AI driven coding through tools like Joule and ABAP AI features will help developers write smarter, faster, and more reliable code. Next, we will see improvements in RAP, including more powerful business objects, better behavior modeling, and support for asynchronous tasks, making development even more flexible. Data integration will become easier with support for external databases and federation, enabling seamless access to multiple data sources. Extensibility will also improve, allowing both on-stack and side-by-side extensions for S/4HANA and BTP environments. Development will be smoother thanks to improved tooling for coding, testing, and lifecycle management, while the ABAP language itself will continue to be cloud optimized with stable, future proof APIs. Finally, multi tenant support will enable developers to build scalable, cloud ready applications that can grow with business needs. In short, the future of ABAP on cloud is about making development smarter, faster, and more scalable while keeping it aligned with SAP's cloud strategy and modern expertise requirements. Thank you all for attending the webinar on ABAP on Cloud. I hope this session gave you a clear understanding of ABAP's evolution, its cloud capabilities, and how you can leverage to build modern scalable applications. I really appreciate your time and attention. If you want to know more about real time usage and practical examples, please do comment part 2. We would be happier to share a follow up session. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We will be happy to help. Thanks, and here's to building smarter, faster, and cloud ready ABAP solutions.